What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have a case for the Honor 7X. Now this is a case from Ranyi. It was purchased on Amazon for $9.99. They currently are in stock. I'll leave a link below if you are interested. Now this is a full body case. It is slim and thin, fit tightly, so it's 360 degrees of protection. So let's get this case unboxed. Now I do currently have a tempered glass screen protector on the Honor 7X. I'll leave a link below also for that if you're interested. I did ask the seller a question whether this was screen protector friendly, meaning if the added bulk of the screen protector was going to affect the case at all. He said it shouldn't. So this is a two-piece case. You see how they come off like that. So let's slide. I think it is going to affect it actually. So this clicks in like this. This is the bottom piece. This is, oh, goes like that. Actually, it does not affect the case. So there you have it. I have a red Honor with a screen protector on, and it does not affect the case at all. You have your buttons here, very accessible, very clicky. I think I'm taking some pictures there. And you have a hole there for a lanyard if you want to put a lanyard to it. You have your cutouts at the bottom, all accessible, your speaker, your micro USB charging port, and your headphone jack there. And on this side you have nothing. On top you have your cutout for your mic, and then you have your cutout on front for your camera, your sensor, your earpiece, and a notification light. Case feels good in hand. I like it. It is a nice, it's almost like a matte red. It's not very slippery, so it actually has some good grip to it. So feels good in hand. In the back you have your fingerprint cut out there, your two speakers, your two camera cutouts, and your flash. Very good looking case. I'll leave the link below like I mentioned below, but this is a awesome case, and I love the color. Look at that color, that bright red. Almost looks like that phone, that OnePlus 5T that launched in China, and that's why I got this case here for my Honor 7X. So thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment below if you have any questions regarding this case or the phone itself, the Honor 7X. Share, like, and like always, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.